Welcome to today's tutorial on how to enable dark mode on LinkedIn using your PC. If you're looking for a way to reduce eye strain while browsing, this feature is perfect for you. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Me icon, which is represented by your profile picture. Click on the Me icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various settings related to your LinkedIn profile. Next, in the left-hand menu, find and click on Account Preferences. This section contains several options that allow you to customize your LinkedIn experience. Now, scroll down until you see the Display section. Here, you will find an option labeled Dark Mode. Click on it to proceed. A pop-up will appear with three choices: Dark Mode, Light Mode, and Device Settings. To enable Dark Mode, simply select Always On. This setting will switch your LinkedIn interface to a dark theme, making it easier on the eyes, especially in low-light conditions. Once you've made your selection, feel free to explore your LinkedIn feed in its new dark attire. You can always return to the settings if you want to switch back to light mode or adjust it based on your device settings. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on LinkedIn. Enjoy a more comfortable browsing experience while networking and connecting with professionals around the globe. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.